Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create a custom feed on BlueSky app. First, launch the BlueSky app on your device. In the top left corner of the home page, tap the three horizontal bar to open the side menu. From the side menu, tap on the Feeds option. This will show you your current feed. At the top right corner of your screen, tap the settings icon to customize your feed. If you want to add more content to your feed, go back to the previous page. Scroll down to find the post you want to pin. Click on the post to open it. And then tap the three dot icon at the top and select the pin feed option. Once you have added your pinned content, return to your feed and tap settings again. To arrange them, tap the upward or downward arrow next to each pin to reorder. After arranging the pins, tap the save button at the top right to save your changes. So this is how to create a custom feed on BlueSky. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful.